Dropshipping is a form of online selling that year by year is gaining increasing popularity. It differs from regular online stores as owners don't have the products from their offer in their warehouses because items are stored in a warehouse belonging to a supplier, manufacturer or distributor. Therefore, the seller finds customers willing to buy selected goods. The store owner is also responsible for processing received orders. Once the customer buys the product, the seller passes the order to the supplier who ships items directly to the consumer. There are many advantages of this method, so we will just name few of them. It's an alternative way to run your online sales when compared to traditional method of selling goods created just by you. You basically have an access to unlimited number of products. There is no warehouse maintenance cost. The store sells products that are delivered by an external supplier. The product range of an online store can continuously expand while keeping no production cost. The model of dropshipping activity is pretty flexible and determined by the seller who needs only a computer to perform the task. No high commission for the store, especially at the very beginning of the business activity. High competitiveness caused by other online stores also supplied by the same supplier. Profits are determined by the amount of sold goods. If the customer orders items from few suppliers, it means that shipping cost is multiplied by the number of products he bought. Remember that not all dropshipping wholesalers offer the same settlement methods. After processing the order, the seller relies solely on suppliers and doesn't have any opportunity to verify the quality of offered products. Any complaints about shipping or the product itself are addressed to the seller. Apart from what we do as Megamo, we also own the second dropshipping platform, which is called Dropio. We are an innovative dropshipping platform that is becoming more and more popular. Thanks to us, your online store can offer a wide range of products offered by various wholesalers. You can tailor the amount of items to your needs, and the selected package can be altered anytime you wish. Dropio gives you automatic import of products to your store, automatic update of your product and their prices, and the possibility of using high quality photos. If you want to know more, get in touch by sending us an email to info@megamo.co.uk and ask for details about Dropio.